Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of lentils, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. For aromatics, prepare 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Red lentils cook in about 20 minutes, while green lentils take closer to 30 minutes, offering a heartier texture. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, let's begin building the flavor for our soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich base. It's time to bring everything together for a comforting simmer. Add 1 cup of rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and season with salt and black pepper to your liking. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Our lentil soup is almost ready. Check the lentils for tenderness. They should be soft and creamy, but not mushy. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if necessary, adding more salt or pepper as desired. For a bright, fresh finish, stir in a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro. This hearty and flavorful soup is perfect for any meal, offering warmth and nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.